Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing my IPSY GLAMBAG Plus for this month of November. I'm so excited to try on and everything that I received for this month. So if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel and be part of this family. And also, you guys, we're almost to 2,000 subscribers. I will appreciate if you guys will subscribe to my channel, and hopefully we make it before the end of the year. I will be so blessed to have you guys all in here with me. So if you guys would like to see what I received, once again, please don't forget to watch all the way till the end. And if you do, I will appreciate it so much as well. So other than that, if you guys don't know what IPSY is a $25 monthly subscription. So you do get 5 full-size products each month, and also you can customize yours as well and pick 3 items from there. So if you guys are interested, I'll be leaving a link down below for you guys to check it out if you guys would like to join IPSY as well. So further ado, let's go ahead and continue on with this video. So first things first, and let's go ahead and admire this bag, you guys. This is a gorgeous holiday bag for this month of November. I really can wait to see what December will be, but so far this is the bag for this month, and all of the products are inside this handy and gorgeous holiday bag. So we're gonna go ahead and start off with the products now. So here's a little card that comes inside each month. So for today's November hashtag is IPSY be present. So this is what the card looks like, and it's also it has these patterns in blue with pink and brown and all those gorgeous colors. So it does give you like some information in here, like a guide that will like tells you ideas on how to do things. So if you guys want to read them, you can go ahead and do that. So I'm just going to go ahead and skip this. So I'm going to go ahead and starting with the first product that I received. So here I have the Good Vibes Mascara Curler and Lash Enhancing Mascara, and this is a Trestic. I don't know if that's how you say it, but this is Trestic right here. And this is the first mascara to combine a lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara in one product. You guys, these sound so interested. I did watch some videos of others who were reviewing this as well, and they say that this works perfectly and that they love it. So if they love it, then that means I'm gonna love it too, because I haven't bought an eyelash curl. So I think this will do perfectly because it does have both of them. So let me show you guys up close so that way you guys can see. This is a vegan cruelty-free mascara. So this duo right here is actually a curl and a mascara. So once you remove the cap out of this, you do have this little blue thing, which is like rubber. And then once you have applied your lashes inside, then you flip this down and curl your lashes. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that you curl your lashes, because that is what is recommended. And then for the second thing, you go ahead and twist this little cap out of it, and then you have your mascara right there. Like, wow, you guys, this is a good combination. If you guys are interested in buying one of these, it is valid for $25, and I will be leaving a description and a link down below for you guys to check it out if you guys are interested. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in with the second product, and here I have the Violet Bust palette, and this palette is so gorgeous, you guys. It does come in with 6 color eyeshadows inside that are pressed and pigmented in the palette. So this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like, but this is what the palette looks like. So I'm going to show you guys from up close so that way you guys can see the shades of these palettes. So it does come with a compact mirror inside as well, and it does include 6 shades in corals and nude tones, which is really beautiful, especially for this month of November. So this eyeshadow palette can be worn alone, or you can go ahead and mix and match the colors however you guys would like to create your own look. Now this is a cruelty-free palette if you guys are wondering, and you can also go ahead and use this palette for any occasions, however you guys feel in the mood. So this palette is actually retail for $20. So I'm really loving this palette. It looks so nice, and it does come in with the names as well. It says Silk, Coral Pop, Pretty Peach, Champagne, Teddy, Chocolate, which is pretty nice. So far I'm loving these colors, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick color swatch for you guys. Alright guys, so here's a quick color swatch of the colors. As you guys can see, this one is really light, and then you see the coral shades, and then you see your shimmer, and then along you have your nude colors. I think these are really beautiful, something soft, not too crazy. So here it is. All right, you guys, so moving in, I'm going in with the third product, which is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, and this is an age-defining exfoliator. This is to help you renew the skin radiance, polishes and smooth, and help diminish the look of the lines. So this is what the bottle looks like from up close, and this is for all skin types. So this is what the bottle looks like. It is a 2-ounce bottle. I forgot to mention the price of this bottle is $79, you guys. This is really expensive. With the fourth product here, I have the Araceli Ojos Perfectos Liquid Eyeliner in Coffee, which is cafe. And you guys, I really love her products. I received the 2 pencils and duos as well in cafe. I think it was chocolate and the other one was cinnamon, canela. And you guys, those are so pretty. So I already have this one in black, so I decided to go in for this brown one as well. Like I said, it does have a sharp pointed tip, so that way you can create a perfect line. Now this liquid eyeliner is so beautiful. Now this is actually valued for $16. Now going in with the last product. Here I have the Shayna B Miami eyeshadow palette, and you guys, this palette is so gorgeous. The moment that I saw my app and knowing that what was I going to receive, you guys, I had to pick this. So this is a third product that I actually picked, along with the Araceli liquid eyeliner and Dr. Brandt, because you guys, these products are so amazing. That is why I picked it. So I don't know what you guys think about it, but this eyeshadow palette actually brought my attention. So it does come in with 8 eyeshadows in here, so I'm going to show you guys really quick how they look. Here we have the mini Miami eyeshadow palette, and look at how gorgeous this palette is. I'm loving this black and pink palms, you guys. This is so beautiful. So let me go ahead and open it so that way you guys can see the colors, and look at how gorgeous these colors are. I'm really loving these tone colors as well. This is some beautiful eyeshadows. Now this palette is valued for $20, and you guys can wear all of these neutral colors during the day or night and just add a touch of these shimmer colors that you see up here, and it will look pretty nice once you guys wear it along. So I'm really loving that they have the name on the eyeshadow, because it always represents something to the people who create this palette, which I think is really awesome. So can't wait to actually try this on. So here you have the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick color swatch for you guys. Alright guys, so here's how the colors turned out once that I went ahead and applied. So this first one right here, we have Hall Lover Nude. And then the second shade, we have Porta's Princess. I think that's what it's called. And then the third one is Everglade. And then you have Heat. And then you have Biscuit Cane, Winwood. And then you have South Peach. And then you have Cafecito at the end. And these are some very beautiful colors, you guys. So I don't know the time you guys are going to be watching this video, if it's either day or night, but I hope you guys love this review that I'm about to do with you guys. So since you guys already know every description and details about everything that I've just shown you for my IPSY, I'm going to go ahead and start off this morning using Dr. Brandt Age Define Exfoliator. So this is the first thing that I'm going to do as a skincare routine for this morning. And also I am going to be using some of these Dr. Brandt that I've received from my previous bags as well. But that is not going to be shown here. So I'm just going to be showing you guys how to use this, even though this is really simple and easy for you guys to do. So there's really not much detail that I can actually say more about this other than just, you know, washing your face. So I hope you guys enjoy this part of it, and let's get ready. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of warm water, Then we're going to go ahead and massage this into the face, and then we're gonna leave it in for about 1 or 2 minutes and avoid touching the area of the eye. So we don't want to do that because then it's going to be itching and irritating. So far, hopefully everyone is having a great day because it is morning. So going to go ahead and grab a little bit of this. So it is still sealed. And here it is. And it smells like mint. And I'm just going to rub this in and massage it all over the face. And this does feel so good. It has a good feeling to it, especially, you know, in the morning. This is actually recommended for once or twice per week, allowing it 3 days in between the application. So now that we have our face clean, it's time to go ahead and get ourselves ready and start applying some eyeshadow now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my face off camera really quick, and I'll see you guys really soon. Right, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with the eyeshadow now. So I'm gonna be using my favorite brushes, which is the Ferra brush. And to start off with this eyeshadow, I'm gonna grab 3 mini tapper blending, which is this one right here. And I am gonna be using the Miami eyeshadow palette, which is this one right here. So the first shade that I want to go in first, it will be the South Peach, which is this color right here, which is this little orangey one. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that one. So I'm going to go ahead and start placing this into the eye. And look at this beautiful orange color, you guys. Anyone else likes this coral eyeshadow? You want to go ahead and grab another brush. So here I have the 35B Tapper Blending. And we're just going to go ahead and blend the color out. Then I'm going to grab this color, which is called Cafecito, and I'm going to be using the same brush. And I'm going to simply go ahead and pack this in here as well. And we're just going to mix the tones. So I went ahead and do a cut crease because it was kind of messy. So I'm going to be using the Heat or either Porta Princess. Is either this one or this one that I'm going to be using. I'm not so sure. But I guess I'll just go ahead and use Heat. So here I have a flat brush from the Fair brush. And this is a 10F concealer. So make sure that you remove the excess. And I'm just going to tap this here into the crease. Look at how gorgeous this color is. So now that we have our eyeshadow done, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tresic sticker. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this now since I'm already done with my eyeshadow. And as you guys already know, I already applied my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and use this lash curl first. And there it is. And I'm gonna use the mascara from here. So I still do have one more thing from the bag, which is the Anastasia liquid eyeliner, and this is actually in brown, which is coffee. And then of course you don't have to wear the liquid eyeliner if you don't want to. You can just go ahead and skip it and just apply your lashes. But I just wanted to try it and see how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and then we are almost done with this video, you guys. Alright, my friends, so we have finally come up to the end of this video. I really do hope you guys enjoy this IPSY GLAMBAG Plus and get ready along with me with these try-ons. So the only thing that I can say is that I really enjoy all of the products that they sent me this month of November. And just to be clear, I did pick 3 items for this month, as I always do. So they did send me 2 items, which I love them as well. And you guys, I really love the palette from Shayna, the Miami palette. This Miami palette, you guys, is so pretty. I really love the colors of it. I really love how the colors turn out. I mean, these colors can be used and mixed however you guys want. And you guys, they are so pretty. And if I were to create another look, I will definitely use them once again. So I do recommend for you guys to try on this palette. So if you received it in this month, make sure that you guys let me know in the comments if you receive anything else from here as well. So in further ado, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and one more thing before I end this video. The total value of everything that I received for this month was $160 worth of products, which is really awesome. So excited. Can't wait for next month. So hopefully next month will be more surprising than it was for this month. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it all the way through. And as always, consider subscribing to my channel if you guys haven't yet subscribed to my channel and be part of this family. And why not follow me on Instagram at LoveJasmine323 as well. So thank you so much. Love you guys. Take care. Stay safe.